Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
With just over 100 folds, the thickness of the paper would be equal to 93 billion light-years. The reason for this is exponential growth. Here's how the thickness of the paper would grow due to exponential growth. The average paper thickness in 1/10 of a millimeter, 0.0039 inches. The 21st of July 2014.
Take our lead.
The problem with folding paper in half multiple times is that the paper's surface area decreases by half with each fold. They determined that using a larger sheet of paper would make it possible to fold the paper in half more than 7 times. Mythbusters used a sheet of paper the size of a football field. 25 July 2019.
Take our lead.
Asterisk the reality. Given a paper large enough, and enough energy, you can fold it as many times as you want. The problem: if you fold it 103 times, the thickness of your paper will be larger than the observable universe, 93 billion light-years. 19 July 2014.
Let's help you make your mark.
Mil is a U.S. engineering term for 1/1000th of an inch, from French mil for 1000. Thus, 9 mil paper is 0.009 inch or about 0.23 millimeters thick. Doesn't sound like much, but newspaper and typing paper run about 2.5 to 3.5 mils. Photo paper used in 1-hour labs is about 8.5 mils thick. 22 August 2002.
Take our lead.
So if we fold a piece of paper 50 times, it would end up being 112,589,991 kilometers thick. Answering the question, Part 2. Would this reach the moon? This is the easy bit. We just have to compare the two numbers. Distance to moon, 384,400 kilometers. 22 February 2011.
Make your mark, take our lead.
12 folds. But thanks to an American high school student, Brittany Gallivan, we now know that paper can be folded more than 7 times, but not much more. Gallivan currently holds the world record for paper folding at 12 folds in a single sheet of toilet paper. 24 March 2016.
Take our lead.
On the 27th of January 2002, high school student, Brittany Gallivan, of Pomona, California, USA, folded a single piece of paper in half 12 times and was the first person to fold a single piece paper in half 9, 10, 11, and 12 times. The tissue paper used was 4,000 feet, 1,219 meters, 0.75 miles, long. 27 January 2002.
Let's help you make your mark.
Folding a paper in half, even a paper as fine as that of the Bible, 25 times would give us a paper almost a quarter of a mile. Now, if you think that the distance between the Earth and the Moon is less than 250,000 miles, then starting with a piece of Bible paper and folding it 45 times, we get to the Moon. 9 November 2018.
Take our lead.
But thanks to an American high school student, Brittany Gallivan, We now know that paper can be folded more than 7 times, but not much more. Gallivan currently holds the world record for paper folding at 12 folds in a single sheet of toilet paper. Why is paper folding so hard? The 24th of March 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
Each time you fold a piece of paper, you double the thickness. So, a paper that has been folded 50 times will be as thick as 250 pieces of paper, about 1 quadrillion, or 1 quadrillion. Paper folding is exponential. 0.24 May 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.